Hey guys, today's hotel tour is coming from Jersey City. We're looking at Doubletree by Hilton. Now, Jersey City is literally across the river from Manhattan, so you have super close access to New York City. You can catch the path and be there in like 7 minutes. I really like this hotel because it's a fraction of the cost that you would pay to stay in Manhattan with a lot more room in the hotel. We stayed in a king corner suite with city view, so we had some beautiful views of the city, and I just really like this area. The public transportation is right outside your door. You can get around, and the hotel itself has a restaurant, the gym, and some really yummy cookies upon check-in. All right guys, so let's get started with our room tour. All right, so when you first walk in, this room actually has 2 rooms. So this is kind of like the sitting kind of area. But if you're traveling with a larger party, so maybe 4 people, this actually converts into a sofa bed. So it is a couch, but it converts into a queen size bed. The room is huge. It's like the size of a 1-bedroom apartment in a city, right? So it's definitely worth your value. You're gonna get a lot more space than staying in Manhattan. All right, so you have some lights when you first walk in, some floor lamp, and there's a desk workspace, desk lamp, there's a safe, there's a little eating kind of nook. You have a microwave, you have a little fridge, some drawers here, pretty deep if you want to unpack. There's some coffee, a coffee maker, coffee creamer, half and half, all that good stuff. Your ice bucket, cups, and some water. There's more light. I will say the room, especially this room, feels a bit dark as you approach afternoon, so it's good that they have all these lamps. There's 2 tables here, like a coffee table, and then a very large flat screen television. So you can sit on the couch, or if you are on the sofa bed, and watch some TV. This is great for privacy. So if there is 2 families here, you can close this door and it will give you some privacy there. There's also some blackout curtains and then your normal kind of screen light curtain. This is one of the windows and views. You just got a basic view of Jersey City. There's actually a grocery store right down there. There's BJ's and then ShopRite's right next door. So across the street, you can get your groceries if you wish, if you're having a longer stay. And then you can see a little bit of Manhattan from this angle. But let's go into the bedroom so you can see a better view of the city. Now, before I go into the bedroom, I just wanted to show you the thermostat here so you can control the whole unit. And there's a wastebasket down there as well. All right, so let's go into the bedroom. And immediately as you walk in, like, how beautiful is this space? I mean, like I said, it's like the size of an apartment. So the thermostat is on. You can control it from the wall unit or the one that's in the wall. And there's 2. There's one in the bedroom and the sitting area. There's a flat screen TV in here as well as a little bench. And a king size bed with 2 nightstands. You have your room phone, alarm clock, and remote control. I just love how muted and simple the decor is as well. You have a floor lamp, and probably one of the selling features of the room is, of course, the view. You have a view of Manhattan right across the river. The only thing is, because of where the building is situated, you actually don't have a view of One World Trade Center. This building right there is actually blocking it, but it's not a big deal. It's still beautiful at night. All the lights are on, and maybe I'll pop back on at night and show you guys what the view is like. But that is the Hudson River. You can watch the boats go by. I know my kids are especially gonna like that. All right, so let's go into the bathroom. Oh, before we do, there is a closet. So you have some more storage space. You have your luggage rack here. There's a ironing board and iron, some extra bedding up there, plenty of hangers to hang up your things. And if you want to do dry cleaning, there's your dry cleaning list of things, how much it costs. Let's get into the other side of the closet where you have some just kind of open face drawers if you want to put your shoes and things away. The bathroom is attached to the bedroom area, and you have a door, so some privacy there. When you walk in, you will see this full length mirror, so you can check out your outfits. You also are fully stocked in terms of toiletries. There's a sink, toilet, and then you have your shower tub combo. On the wall, you'll see the toiletries. It's a Hilton hotel, so they do use Crabtree and Evelyn. So you have your shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And then on the wall here, you have your body lotion, tissues, and some hand soap, which I think we've already opened. We always wash our hands as soon as we get into the hotel. And you have your wastebasket, you have your towels, foot towel for the tub, hand towel, all that good stuff. So as promised, I came back in the evening to show you guys the view. How stunning, with all of the buildings lit up in Manhattan. Yeah, it's definitely a selling point of the room. I mean, even Jersey City lit up is kind of sweet too. But yeah, just wanted to share that. The room comes with quite a bit of plugs. I know in these videos, a lot of people like to know about the plugs. So each nightstand has 2, and the working area in the living room through the French doors, they have quite a few as well near the desk. The bathroom has plugs as well. So there's no shortage of plugs. And yeah, I feel like anybody could make themselves very, very comfy and cozy and home in this place. We're probably not gonna want to leave. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.